Hi everyone, this is Tuhin and you are watching Tuhin in AIML. So I'm back with a new project, Hiring Nexus, finding the best candidate for you using AI. And let's get started. So I have a build a project, name is Hiring Nexus, which actually what it does is, uh, let's say you have posted a job requirement and you received a lot of job applications, let's say around thousands. So how do you actually know which candidate to hire? Going through all the thousands of candidates is not possible. So I have made this project. It's quite good, and I think it's quite better. We will be using AI for scoring the candidate. We are coming to that. So first is application. So you have the application stored in a JSON file, and you load that JSON file to the project. Next is your target role. You come to our website and you load your JSON file, and then you suppose want to hire for AI developer. In the job requirement or target entry position, you just write AI developer and search. Once you hit search, it goes to my backend. The filter does its job. It filters the candidate based on AI developer. Then come candidate scoring. The candidate scoring is based on the keywords and also a way the algorithm is working, which is around 60% for experience, 30% for skills, and 10% for the education. Next is goes to the Gemini LLM, which is the main part. You need a API for that. Once it goes to Gemini, it analyzes the job application. Now, the job application that is received by the LLM or Gemini is the candidate scoring, the filtered JSON file. So it does the detailed analysis, and then it gives back a result. The results include the rankings as well as why this person is at rank 1, then why this person is at rank 2, and so on. And that detailed analysis is being displayed in the front end in the result section. So let's see how the project works. Now, the thing is, the project is currently in local host, so you will not be able to directly come to my website. I will leave the link of the GitHub profile in my description. So fork it or download it and use for your own good. Now here we are in our website. This is a local host. So you can see I have 975 candidates being loaded. It's the name Hiring Nexus along with live feed, which is basically all the names of the candidates that have filled the form. So let's say for the target position, I give AI developer and execute the scan. You can see it's working. Also, few more thing like this project interface, the UI you are seeing is based on Cyberpunk. Now we can see the results have been shown and came from the Gemini. Uh, this is rank 1, cheerful Narwhal. So his strength has been given along with his area of consideration that his salary is quite low. So these are the things that Gemini process and give answers. Also for this you can see the salary is quite relatively high. Salaries asking is quite relatively high. So these are all the things that Gemini considers and give the ratings so that you can understand and choose the best student or candidates for your job. And I believe you like it. If you like it, kindly like the video, share the video, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video with a new project.
मैंने करे कांड कितने काम मेरे चले नाम गिरे बान में भी गिरे बाम लगे वियतनाम तेरे जान तेरे बलिदान वो भी सरेआम मैंने करे हम कत्लेआम में ना परेशान डैम